start. August 15, 1947 is the day engraved in gold in the history of India. It is the day when India attained its freedom from the clutches of a long slavery of over 200 years of the British rule. It was a long and hard struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men laid their lives for our beloved motherland. Mahatma Gandhi led the great non violent movement against which the British had to finally succumb. The country produced great leaders and patriots like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Lala Lajpat Rai, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, and Chandrasekhar Azad. The struggle for independence was such a moving force that it united all the people belonging to different castes, classes, and beliefs into a single nation. Women also came out of their houses and significantly contributed to the freedom struggle. Women like Aruna Asaf Ali, Sarojini Naidu, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Kamla Nehru, Kasturba Gandhi, and Annie Besant contributed greatly to the success of our freedom movement. August 15 is celebrated as Independence Day every year. On our first Independence Day, Pandit Nehru, our first Prime Minister, hosted the national flag, the tricolor, at the Red Fort. At midnight, when the whole world was sleeping, India awoke into a great nation, promising peace, prosperity, equality, and liberty. Since then, Independence Day is traditionally celebrated with full zeal, fervor, and great excitement. Every particle and pollen in the air seems to be charged with the love of the motherland on this particular day. One can see small children carrying small tricolors in their hands, running with zeal towards their schools early in the morning for flag hosting ceremonies in the schools. Every vehicle, tempo, auto rickshaw has a tricolor flying on top. Songs full of patriotism can be heard at every street corner. The day is celebrated with great favor and people pay homage to the thousands of lives laid down by great men and women. They remember the countless sacrifices made and they glorify the great Indian tradition and culture with which we have enriched the world. The Prime Minister of India hoists the flag at the Red Fort and gives a traditional speech addressing the people of India.